Assalamu alaikum everybody. So we went out on a long drive and it was Saudi National Day and we were just amazed by the decoration and the celebration they were going to do. It was so nice, and as you can see, every building was green. Yup. Even the white one we see with no lights, it was green. Yeah, the Kingdom Tower, where we only see light on the U-shaped thingy. We saw a whole light on its whole body. And it had Kalma written on it, like the flag of the Saudi Arabia, and we were just amazed. We didn't even know it can show these. I was amazed. I can't tell you how surprised I was that it was showing things and monuments and everything. And this building was simple white. But it had enormous flag. These buildings, I never seen it because they had no light. But these buildings also had green lights. Oh my god, this building, I am amazed. It had lights, it looked beautiful, but the green color suits it. It suits it. And over here, you can see they just did the king photo. Over here, lighting. Every beautiful lighting. On the far, you can see some lights going up on the sky. Yep. That one too. Awesome. I didn't even know the buildings can do this. Yeah, green. How can this do? When we are going anywhere, there are no lights. Okay, and now when we went out, there were so many lights. Yep, it was so cool. We were so amazed. Aliza was also with us, as you know, and we went on our new car and the roof opened. We went out. It was so awesome. I can't tell you. And people were on their cars like this one. You can see they had flags in their hands. They were hooting, shooting, shouting and dancing. And you know, guys, even small cars where there are no their windows, not roof or anything, they were getting out from the windows. It was so funny, guys, but it was so cool too. And over here you can see there's double decker, and we're just out waving at them, and they waved at us and shouted and danced. It was so good. And over here we call this Twisty Tower. I don't know its name, but we call it Twisty Tower. It was so beautiful. This is the library, and it had half green. I think so the other half didn't work. I think so it didn't work, the function, so no problem. But it was so cool to see that normally it's like that, but and here 93. Why did they write 93? So I did some research and I got that it's 93rd independent year of Saudi Arabia. This is also a monument, and I've never seen that like that. It was so cool. These green thingies, they were like resembling trees to me. And over here there's so many other stuff. And National Day to all of you from me. So bye everybody, this is the end.